Report View. The Report View mode is used to view and print out measurements. The report includes both initial and final measurements. You can see them in the columns before and after. The values that are in the tolerance range are highlighted in green. The values that are beyond the tolerance range are highlighted in red. If there's no standard for a value, it's shown in grey. If caster and SAI KPI measurements were skipped, there will be dashes there. To repeat measurements, press F3, Repeat Measurement. To proceed to the adjustment mode, press F2, Adjustment. Press F1, Print, to print out the report. The preview of the report will be displayed on the screen. Press F1, Print, to print the report to the default printer. If it's necessary to select another printer or change printer settings, press F2, Choose Printer, or F3, Customize Report.